Tori inside Tori, my name is Senior Landlord and Tori, 11 of June 2026. When I come good, that time with Chakara Tori. One time, I carry when I enter that side football division, we enter inside the play the crowd and see what La Fele George and Chuchu talks what he says on don't happen for the yesterday. School picking them and the teacher they were there for school. They want to see some bad egg them, that means a bad boy them. They enter for inside the school with the gun them. They take 4 teacher, then they point gun for their head. Go with them inside bush till now. No man don't know why we can't take the 4 teacher. Whether not kidnapping for inside door, but man then the day for until matter. Any chuchu I will bring and that's all still with chakarama. Inside London, they happen for inside Pay. I kind of now enter that side for Changu, go for their own center, just chuchu. They talk to the director for this school. If we go and open catering department for this school because they talk to which say the one they use are now for CSR where they feel they make money too from that side, bring them can help the school. Then I want be around the 6th to 7th of June for 2026. The motor come out enter for some side, they go do their catering work for the people they call and see what up. That way the one they come back, they get accident for road as the motor get accident in tumble, we fall for that hole as you see for this so chuchu talks what you say. So one school picking a quarter for inside this accident. So one talks what you say, make it so rest for inside say peace, it did here. Still for inside don't happen for inside pay a car when I enter the play where you can say what you okala the one for center region them saying yeah on the side and chuchu. It talks what you say some guy in the way they go carry big to them, they are close, they wear them, they are their own uniform. They work on the turn inside quarter now, they lay for them. Sometimes they even force police they will take money for them for food and talks what you say them they big to them for inside Mboko. So it won't be for night now, so they go palm for place them chop for them with a knife them, seize their best skin them, seize money, seize up the phone them, enter Susungu. Now it won't be yesterday night, they go palm for inside some angle. They way some Bensky man come, they try for hold that Bensky man, but the Bensky man he run enter Susungu. So as he run now way he go take the vigilante group, they run for him for this Okala. One time they enter for inside darkness, for inside system, they go catch this boy them. After when they catch them now, they start do their own investigate one, they go discover and see what no be they re soggy them say now fake boy they don't go carry soggy their clothes them, they wear them just now, they fake soggy them, they inside they re soggy their hand with the young for day. Still for inside don't they happen for inside pay. We remember so still for inside ya one day we pass go for inside the village where they can see what you zen talks what you say some man be get fish pond for that side with that man all time we go for the fish and they already go now for down. Go now for down. Where you should not say what you not the party man so now they ever go help the man so they select the big fish and where they inside the man fish pond. They go make a cooking day in and go there they chop their life. Sometimes they even go sell so one them for neighbor. But now yesterday we the man now we get the fish pond, he go palm, they chop rather. You want to see the man turn come, bring a fish net, bring a hook, can they use that they are small thing and so they catching my fish. And then I will the man that come on so I say you fall for into his skin, then hold the fish and so that time for his skin, they work and they lay the man bring a life for their square for village so that make all man yes what you say that they re-bang this so where they can't thief the fish all time. Still for inside don't let it happen for inside pay. I carry on now enter for PK14 for dollar chuchu. They talk say this one going a name na kumia and it on that side for tumble. Every caliber that side for dollar. Now we party man we give that side for Lebanon. Do a passport, send invitation, pay tickets, which is same you can't find if it's Lebanon and if they make two, you can't see to the place. As in one day they enter after they want turn, they chop life small. They want see now, so according to the chuchu, think one day will cause some mail, they say it don't have the lost sense. That means what mental instability inside craze. So just now, they don't put this number online, talk to what you say. If you know who will be this one day way a name now come then write this number so that they will fit tell you the rating way the difference. So no one has said go there one come go not tell no family member oh now why they don't carry the matter bring am for social media. No man no sabi. Inside Jaribare they happen for inside pay I carry una enter that side for Bafang as we so chuchu. It talks to do one so na to them for black cap their own checkpoint. The place say this part man they don't hold and pin am for down so you surely never get sing sang for temporary. Now they don't transfer anger. Now they could do transfer anger one time put am for the man hold and pin am for down the press and talk. So this the press and the talk say the fab she must come out by fire by force. Establish from Kutu and there whenever you want pass with that checkpoint, if you know hold those so now very big matter, they will just change the whole story. Even if you enter now inside side for Domo or they go say slap you say kick you are. Still for inside don't let it happen for inside pay I carry now enter for that side for Douala as Sawe building the work and you collapse so left and right the people don't come and begin to cry the toxicity. Say the person will get this story building so we in a 5-story. The man you come out you enter inside the building you no get no building permit. No can't say but never can tell you say okay now so you need for put foundation do and so each you enter if they to the build now build the go. People don't come back and begin to cry, the toxicity. They build into the rest of the lane for one side and they don't come out to go cry for people and say, "Maybe they can't hear it. They don't can hear enough and you should them quiet." So problem already there inside with this building a day for day. Still for inside the very matter, they talk with you as how the matter don't enter for level for social media. That way they cancel for them, they don't respond quick. They don't can tie some of them for this building. Then they put notice for the talks which is they need to bring down this building in less than no time. Sabi say the problem will get have is Ambokuna, which any man they were to claim which is say they know plenty and the palaver say they know how to do management. When I make a job BB, any kind of thing you want see 2 3 days, it's not really collapse or down. Quara people. Still for instance, Jariba didn't happen for inside PE. I carry now enter for Simbok for Yaounde Chuchu. It talks to the Padima name na Bikone Roger. The man on Dundon for that side. Don't hold a woman. A Liam use plus knife cut the woman. He hit there for one side. Just now, as the chuchu they talk, the woman, the other side of Warabita, they take medicine for there. And then the man, the work, and they knock his chest with his aquata talks. Now, even a lawyer for woman, he talks with any man picking way, the woman, they make trunk. They say, may they bring her, they make it lay am. They show the woman pepper. One head one, only for work, they lay woman, them. No man, and no sabi. Still for inside don't they happen for inside pay for the come over that side from Cambe, the whole Abakwa in general, people dey for Facebook, look this Ngondere a face finer. If you say you are you wanna they talk, it tell you say may send it transport money, may can find you for Douala, for Yaounde, no send even shishi or even thing as what you send them. May come find that side for Bafusam or for Limbe, no send no money. If not, you will young then God work as you do your own guess online. It go come meet you by the man, it go fufu ya. So we already love you well. You want just want to say, man, I just married and married enter inside side for love, you love it. By the time you go for you send it transport, you know ever say in fact it go block you for all sides. And subsidy if to say you been a gay where you take money from man picking it online the food and say you will come where you know where you know come just know so if you say they carry the go down for court no say you go for inside ngata because it dey against law. So if you dey do the thing, you better stop am. If not, one day, you go enter for inside very big ngata. Tori inside Tori, I carry now enter for side for Ndamba. We go for side for World Cup. Now today we Mexico dey play ball against South Africa. So we said one zone and Ndamba for inside side for World Cup. So you way you been a football supporter, you way you like Ndamba, you way you like Mexico, you way you like South Africa. Now today we read the way you go choose your own side for support them according to us how way you had tell you say the ones on my favorite team or that one's on my own favorite team. My people, I will leave the to the favorite to come off inside quarter. I will bring another so still with chakarama. Remember, I say update na back to back. Shake no day water, go live stone.